to Stock Hours. On today's episode, we have a collab. Love doing these. I love doing these. We have two different stocks that were traded, two different styles, two different traders. Um, the first stock is Netflix, and the second stock is Nvidia. Um, I love doing these because it's crazy how people's mind thinks on certain different things, and it's nice. It's nice that you can sit there and say, hey, I like this style. This style works for me. I can read things better this way, and then you get to see it firsthand how one person reads something totally different than the other, and then they trade it, and both were really profitable for the day. So to get us started here on Netflix, the first thing that we're looking at, I'll let Frankie talk about what he was looking at.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Frankie here. You'll be seeing that I'm doing the same collaboration with George on him taking his Netflix and Nvidia trade, and you'll be seeing my Netflix and my Nvidia trade. Both taken differently, both different ideas. You can see that on Netflix, I didn't really hold for too long. I was just looking for the scalp on it, just because it had a lot of momentum behind it. Pretty good trade, pretty good for a small scalp. You know, went in probably with roughly 2 to 3 thousand to make maybe 5 to 10%. So it wasn't bad. Like I said, I wasn't looking for too much on the trade to begin with. So pretty solid scalp. And yeah, pretty happy about it.
Tesla's starting to get going.
Netflix is about to go for 460.
Yeah, see, I want to play that, but I'm gonna pass. The stock spread is actually tight too. It's only 15, 20 cents.
There's a gap on Apple on the 4 hour from 188 80 to 189.50, and then there's a resistance at 189.98. So basically 190.
That wasn't bad on Netflix. I scalped it.
Yeah, I was barely switching over. I didn't get to. Which contract did you go with?
The
Uh,
465s.
that's what I was looking at. That's what took me a
These
while.
have a lot of volume. That's why I piqued interest. I was like, you know what? I'll take a look at this.
Look at that rejection. $1.30.
I'm glad I sold on that.
Yeah, that was clutch.
So I'm gonna go ahead and press play here. Watch what I start looking at. So 460 already broke. I didn't play that.
One of these days we'll get Nvidia.
So I'm looking at it here. I'm just looking for a bounce. I want to hold here. I want a hold of this. And you'll hear me talk about it here on the mic. Netflix can hold 458.50. I don't know. My slightly half size. Take that.
You're still interested on that?
Yeah. As you can see there, I talked about it a little bit. What I wanted to see, half size. I'm not trying to go in heavy. Why? Because this is basically based on. This is mainly based off of momentum. It is something that I've been working on, trying to catch some more momentum, some continuation. It is also Netflix. So with all that being said, it's like okay, I'm gonna go half sides, and you know things are still gonna pay if it's the right move, right? You just gotta be able to read it. So if you didn't hear what I said on the live, I was pretty much talking. I want this to hold this. This is a previous gap. It says double gap starts because it's a gap within a gap. But anyway, so I wanted this level to hold, and then you saw there I put the fib, the 78 point whatever, also lined up with this, right? So that's to me, if that holds, I'm taking the new high or the next test at 460.
Why 458.50?
I like that as a good pullback entry. And then it's a previous spot where that second gap started. So both of those.
That's true.
As you
So
can
you gotta
see
find like
there, I'm in with six light size. It's only six.
a dumb question, but why 460? I don't see anything there.
It's just a solid level. That's all it is. I mean, that's why I played it. And we're also in the middle of a gap, so.
Straight through,
Can I
super
get a
strong.
low to low?
Watch the bid.
You caught that?
Yeah, what I
The
tell
bid didn't.
you.
The
Ooh.
ask did not get above 461, so I'm watching here.
What percent did you get on that?
Now watch this.
Me a second.
Watch this. Look at the bid below 460 and the ask above 460. So I'm paying attention to this. I am currently break even. I'm paying attention to this to see which one's going to continue, right? You got ES. I kind of covered it up on accident. I recorded on the wrong screen, on the wrong settings. So I'll apologize for that. But you can slowly start seeing here ES start coming. And ES is dropping. So I want to see strength here on Netflix. I want this ass to hold 460.
Me a second.
Watch, the bid gets pulled up a little bit, has yet to cross 460. The ask is not
Going
budging.
down
It
to
is
a
not
high
dropping.
Nvidia 490
Watch this bounce. Watch this
as
pull.
of right
Look at
now.
that. Beautiful. The ass pulled it, jumped over 30 cents. Now let's go. Off to the races here again. Saw time and sales start flashing. 461. Boom. No hesitation at 461. Let's go. Bid is below. Finally get past it. I sell join the ass.
And
So that's how I scale out when the momentum is there. I get asked a lot. How do you scale out with the momentum? Do you sell market? Do you sell limit? Most of the time, I sell market. Uh, and Netflix has a bigger spread. So you can see here it's 15 cents. With that being said, just join the ass. It's not gonna matter. It's not gonna matter. The momentum's there for me. I like what I'm watching here, right?
what? Can I get another little push here?
So I
Think
do
you're
want to.
still in
I want to
there?
break a
Come
462
on.
here.
25% right here. I'm about to sell here.
So now I want 462, but now watch the bid here. The bid's gonna come back down. I see that it's starting to struggle.
I
I was
scaled
not
down though.
expecting this
Sheesh.
trade to begin with.
Okay, George.
Look at this bid. Ask did not get below
Nah, wouldn't.
461.
Hey,
The
but
bid
Keith,
did.
that's why the
The bid did. Now the ask. I sold right below. I sold right there. I It was an unexpected trade. Why get greedy? I made on that. I made on that. Uh, $309. I mean, you know what I mean? What else do I want on a trade that I was not expecting? I was not expecting this trade. I'm basically basing it off of, you know what? I like the momentum. I want to sit there and take this. I want to take advantage of this setup because I have been watching these setups and I've been a little bit hesitant on taking these, and I finally took one today. I've been watching it, just back testing. I like those pullback entries like that if the momentum is there. Of course, the price action has to be there. Things could have easily came right back down, but that's why you're watching. That's where you have your stop loss set in place, and you go from there. Why get greedy? I did want the 462. It hesitated too much. It almost dropped back down below 460. I mean 461, and then why? You know what I mean? I'm good. I'm good. So now I'm gonna show y'all the second trade. So on this second trade, this is Nvidia. We're originally looking at the upside. You can kind of clearly see my upside alert here. But we're looking at the upside. But it just started dying way before the market. ES and NQ were just kind of like slowly grinding up. This was dying right off the open. It was up big overnight. But then again, like just because it's up big overnight doesn't, you know what I mean, doesn't mean it's going to continue going up to the upside, right? So we ended up taking the signal came at 490 puts for Nvidia. I ended up taking the 485 puts, but we are going to enter at 490. Now I get in before. My plan going into this is like, okay, I like what we have going on here. I like the rejection coming down here. I like that it's ahead of ES. You can kind of clearly see here. It's ahead. So I'm going to take an early entry here. You're going to see here in a little bit. I'm going to take an early entry. Uh, and then I'm going to add. I'm thinking I'm going to add at 490. You're going to see I don't. And you'll see why I don't. But that's my plan going into this. Again, Frankie's going to have his side and how he traded it. He traded a lot safer than I did. But then again, I went in super light only for a contract. So I'm gonna go ahead and press play.
Not actually smacked, but like stop loss immediately.
So watch
Yeah, those
this.
spreads get wild.
See the time itself start flashing quicker
Nvidia.
here.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Finally, ES kind of caught up here. So I'm keeping an eye on that. I'm gonna have a super tight stop, probably just above 492 if it gets aggressive. Um, and just let it play out. ES starting to get ahead. It's starting to hesitate. You gotta remember, it's come down quite a bit. This is the 5 minute, by the way. It's come down quite a bit here. So now I changed this to 2. I have 4. That means I'm gonna scale out. So target here is 490, probably at, and then the next target, if the momentum is there, is 48 because of this trend.
We're breaking a 30-minute downtrend too on coin. Kind of like this.
So you can see another trader there, another one of our guys is looking at coin. You got to remember, if you don't like a certain setup, he didn't like the Nvidia, there's okay. You have to trade with what you're comfortable with, what you like, what you feel good about. If you don't feel good about the trade, then you pretty much just threw your
The
money away.
15-minute on Nvidia has room down to 488.
Again, I'm slightly green here. Not much. I'm just watching.
What I'm gonna do is take a half position at 490.40, and then another half 489, 490.40, and then another position at 490.15. I have the 485 puts ready for Nvidia.
So see what he just said? So he's planning to add twice, which is fine, because I'm planning on adding at 490. But watch, I don't get to add, and he doesn't get to add his second.
NQ hasn't even started slipping yet. I'm in these guys. Oh my god.
Oh, it just died.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh
Yo.
my god.
Oh my god.
Watch, I'm getting ready to.
Did someone say they were looking for a bounce?
Boom. Why did I sell 2? I'm not trying to risk this reversing all the way to a higher day here off this trend alone. Scaling out, cutting half my taking half of my profits here. No way I go red on this trade. I'm up nicely already. I'm up nicely.
Yo.
Yo, that's 33. I got in at
Oh
491.
my god.
Shit.
Sick trade.
Guys, I'm looking to add here.
What?
I added.
See, he was trying to add at 48, which is good because it's finally breaking the trend that he had on the 15-minute as well. That's actually a beautiful ad. I just at that point I'm like, whoa, I'm up 35%. There's no way. I thought that was funny. Sorry, it's one of I guess a trader
Guys.
joke or whatever.
Oh my god.
Oh my
What
god.
an ad from him.
I got all this on recording also.
Oh my god.
One
The
more
ad,
drop.
bro.
I added with you right there before that second break.
I'm
That was
out.
Nice. I'm about to get out on the 487 break, guys.
Beautiful.
Here we go. 10 seconds.
What's up, guys? This is the second trade of the video, which is the Nvidia setup. Hope you guys look forward to this. It wasn't anything too insane. For me at least. For everyone else, it was insane. I was just looking for the quick scalp on this as well. I like my quick scalps and being done with the day. So with this, I did get in a little bit early on Nvidia, but this did have a lot of weak sentiment behind it ahead of NQ. So I ended up taking the I think it was the pre-market low at around 490.30. Or maybe even I even took an early entry at around 490.50 and ended up selling all the way down to 489, but this ended up dropping all the way down to 487 for I think around, most of the traders had a 50% trade on this, maybe 40 to 50%, somewhere in that range. I think I only ended up getting maybe 10 to 20%. Isn't too bad. Like I said, those are usually my goals, is I try to get around 10 to 20% on a green trade. Even if it gets more, then I'm more than happy to take that. And then with my red trades, I usually end up taking around 10% or less with that. So pretty solid trade. I was happy about it. Obviously, it sucks missing out a lot on it, but you guys will see in the video how it goes out. So peace out.
breaking a 30-minute downtrend too on coin. Kind of like this.
The 15-minute on Nvidia has room down to 488. What I'm gonna do is take a half position at 490.40, and then another half 489, 490.40, and then another position at 490.15. I have the 485 puts ready for Nvidia. NQ hasn't even started slipping yet. I'm in these guys. Oh my god.
Wow, it just died.
Oh my god.
Oh
guys.
my god.
Oh
Yo.
my god.
Oh my god.
Did someone say they were looking for a bounce?
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, 33.
Oh
I'm
my
already at
Holy
god.
shit. Guys, I'm looking to add here.
What?
I added, guys. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo.
I got all this on recording also.
I just took
Oh
the
my
scope.
god, the ad, bro.
I added with you right there before that second break. Dude, that was
I'm about to get out on the 487 break, guys. Here we go. 10 cents.
10 cents.
Yo, let's go.
Here we go. That's called patience.
3 cents.
Market just started falling here. There
There
we
it
go.
goes. Oh my
27.
god.
Let's go,
Hold up,
Norm.
guys.
Yeah.
Hold up. I'm out.
Let's go.
Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below whatever things you want to see on this channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.